So this problem says to consider the function f of x is equal to 6 minus 3x squared on the interval negative 6 to 4. Find the average or mean slope of the function on this interval, i.e. f of 4 minus f of negative 6 over 4 minus negative 6. By the mean value theorem, we know that there exists a c in the open interval negative 6 to 4 such that f prime of c is equal to this mean slope. For this problem, there is only one c that works. Find it. So just to start off with, the reason why they're using this form is because it's using the slope formula of like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's just the general slope. That's the general slope equation. So we're using this function to find the slope between 2 points on this line. So, or on this curve, I should say. So let's start by evaluating what this slope is. F of 4 would be 6 minus 3, plugging in 4 into my f of x, and then minus f of 6, f of negative 6 is 6 minus 3 times negative 6 squared, and that is all over 4 minus negative 6. Minus a negative means plus, so this would be 4 plus 6. And now simplifying, 4 squared is 16, and 16 times 3 is 48. So this would be 6 minus 48. So the first bracket would be negative 42 minus the second bracket, negative 6 squared is positive 36 times negative 3 is negative 108. So that would be 6 minus 108 is negative 102 over 4 plus 6 is 10. And again, minus a negative is plus. So that would be negative 42 plus 102, which is 60. And 60 divided by 10 is 6. So what we're saying is between these 2 points on the interval negative 6 to 4, the slope between those 2 points is 6. So if we set our derivative equal to 6, so first of all, let's find our derivative. The derivative of 6 minus 3x squared, the 6 would go to 0, so it would be negative 6x. And if we set this slope equal to 6, we get 6 is equal to negative 6x. Divide both sides by negative 6, and we get that x is equal to negative 1. This negative 1 is on our interval between negative 6 and 4, so that would be our value. We could call it a value of c. So when x is equal to negative 1, that means that our slope of our function is equal to the average slope of the function, which is 6. So there we go. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell and change your notifications to all so that you see when I make a new video. Thanks.